BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move, and this is what we get. And based on 1 hour chart, we have been looking for the 387, following by 404. As we can see, the price broke both of the levels. Now, want to see what's the next, because based on the forward chart, we give the different levels. Anyway, we take out all these trades, all these the lines, and now want to see what's the next first. For those traders whoever get the trade within this move, they need to move their stop loss to break even. And what I suggest, at least move their stop loss to somewhere around 400. At least they can book this profit. All right, because no one see what's this, whether this is a correction for continuation or not. Anyway, if we move to daily chart, we have been looking for the reversal. We have nothing else to discuss because we see the breakout of this correction, and the best thing is to move to forward chart, because if we move to forward chart, even based on forward chart, we mentioned we're looking to see whether the price can break 420 or not. As you can, the price almost tagged, but there was it couldn't break. And right now we want to see whether we can look for the correction, and we see the breakout of the 420, because with the breakout of the 420, the next level I'm looking for is 445. All right, because if the price break this zone, we consider we see the breakout of the previous top for this correction, then we can look for continuation. Anyway, as what we expected, the price based on forward chart tag 420, and now mostly if you want to look for continuation, we need to see get the deeper correction before we get the next trade. That's why for those traders, get any trade within this move, at least move their stop loss to break even to book this profit. Okay, and we know based on forward chart, we don't see any trade setup. And the best thing is if this one turns to a deeper correction for continuation. That's why we need to book our profit. But at this point, we don't see any trade setup based on forward chart. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, we don't see any trade setup, and we will expect to see the divergence. That's why we need to be quite careful. If this one turns to a deeper correction, this is where we're going to look for the next trade. All right, but if we see the price drop as a sharp move following with by correction, this is where we're going to take out all the trade, and then from there we need to make a decision whether we should look for sell or not. We need to be quite careful about this. Maybe give me, and we don't have any examples to discuss him. All right, the only thing is maybe we can refer to this one. We cannot compare this one with this move, but from what I'm looking for, what I want to highlight that if we want to look for the next trade setup for buy, we prefer at least we get the price consolidate here for longer time. Because if we move to forward chart, we need to see the breakout of 445. All right, anyway, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or either based on forward chart on 1 hour chart. The only thing is we need to protect our profit, and if you want to look for the next trade, we prefer to get the correction for before we take the continuation. All right, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.